In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer a table from Excel to Google Slides. This is a handy skill when you want to present data effectively within your presentations, while still maintaining the formatting and integrity of your information. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Google Slides presentation. Here, we'll set the stage for your content by starting with a fresh slide. So, navigate to your toolbar and click on the New Slide icon. Typically, this looks like a plus sign. Once you click it, a brand new blank slide will be added to your presentation, providing a clean canvas for your table. Now, with your Google Slides ready, let's switch gears and open your Excel spreadsheet. Find the specific sheet that contains the table you wish to copy over. When you have your Excel sheet open, use your mouse to click and drag, selecting the entire table. Make sure every part of it is highlighted so nothing is missed in the copying process. With your data selected, you're ready to make a copy. Simply right-click on the highlighted area and a menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Copy. This will hold your table data in your clipboard, ready to be transferred to Google Slides. Return to your Google Slides presentation and head to the blank slide that you prepared earlier. Here, right-click anywhere on that empty slide. A small box will pop up with several options. You'll want to choose Paste to bring your table over from Excel. At this moment, you might notice an option to Link to Spreadsheet. This is particularly useful if you expect to continue updating the original Excel sheet and want those changes to automatically reflect in your presentation, a feature worth considering. Now that you've got your table onto the slide, you might want to adjust the appearance of its borders. Click on the table to select it first. Once highlighted, check out the toolbar at the top of your screen. You should see options for border color and border weight. These tools let you change the color and thickness of the lines surrounding your table, enhancing its visibility or fitting your presentation's theme. Finally, let's talk about getting the size and position just right. To customize this, click again on the table to ensure it's selected. You can then grab any corner and drag it to resize your table, ensuring it fits nicely within the boundaries of your slide. Moreover, if you need to reposition your table, simply click and drag the entire table across your slide to the spot that suits your layout best. And there you have it, a streamlined process to input data from Excel directly into Google Slides. Using this method will help you maintain your data's accuracy and presentation, allowing you to share your analysis effectively and compellingly. Don't forget to save your work periodically as you create. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped elevate your presentation skills.